And welcome to my channel. Dear viewer, today we will learn that how to scan our computer for viruses and threats with Windows 10 Window Defender. For that purpose, we have to first click on settings, then click on update and security. With that, we click on Windows security, then click on virus and threats protection. Now we have different options. Here we have quick scan and other scan option. Now we want to scan our computer customize in a customized way. Scan. We have quick scan, full scan, custom scan, Microsoft Defender appliance scan, and we have an option scan now. First of all, we have to click one of them, one of the following options. Suppose if I want to scan my computer in a custom way, we should tick mark in custom scan and then click on scan now. Now we have options. Suppose we want to scan only E. So folder and then click on it. There is no threats. Now if we want to scan our computer with quick scan, we should tick mark in the box quick scan and then click on scan now. By the time it scan, it will take a few minutes or a few seconds, then we will have the result of the quick scan. It will take a few minutes. The estimated time remaining is 20 seconds, 19, 18. It will finish in a few seconds. Hmm. It takes a few minutes and the result will appear on our screen. We have no threats, no current threats, and we have a computer free of viruses till now. The result shows that no current threats. Last scan was thanks. That's it for today. Dear viewer, we will meet you with another video tomorrow, and mm, please watch our video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Thanks.